whoa, whoa, whoa. I got this.
So I'm actually making a set of 2 of these pieces. One's going to be a giveaway, more details on that later, but I also wanted to demo 2 different processes to do this inlay. So I'm going to start with that guy over there. That one's thinner, it's about 2 inches thick. I'm going to cut that entirely on my X-Carve CNC. This guy here is a bit thicker, about twice as thick, so I'm going to have to cut this one entirely by hand. So you get to see the same process done with 2 different techniques. Thanks for watching this build. I made this piece of wall art for my friends over at Carolina Shoe. Carolina makes super high quality, long-lasting work boots that I wear in the shop every day and everywhere else, really. And supporting them helps support me as well. If you want to get your own pair of Carolina boots, use Pallet 10 at checkout. I'll link their website down below. Many of their styles of boots, like these guys right here, are made right here in America in their factory in Pennsylvania, and that is where this guy is going. But Carolina likes to share as well, so the good news is that you have a chance of winning this guy's little brother here in a giveaway that I'm running with Carolina. But this one is going to be even bigger than normal. Now, I'm not only teaming up with Carolina for this one, but also my friends Evan and Caitlin. So they run the YouTube channel Evan and Caitlin, and they just released a video today as well, making a pneumatic water blaster. Now I get to watch it already. It's a lot of fun. Goes through the whole design process from prototype to final working model. So definitely go and check that out for yourself. Also, follow the link to the giveaway. Not only are we giving away one of these wall art pieces and Evan and Caitlin's pneumatic water blaster, but also a handful of people are going to win their own pair of Carolina boots. All right, I think I've given you enough homework. Thank you for checking out this build and sticking around, and I will see you on the next one.